Good afternoon everyone. I am Arun Kumar Rai from class 9th. I study in Aryavat Central School. I am here to present my presentation on the mouth. First, I thanks to my class teacher to give me this opportunity to stand here and give my presentation. This is a diagram of mouth, and here you see all the parts of the mouth. This is diagram of mouth, and it's are the part of buccal system. These four teeth are known as incisors. These side teeth are known as canines, and these are very sharp. These are two in all jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw. And this is tongue. These two teeth are known as premolars. Last three teeth are known as molars. Mouth is a very important part of our body. It is also an important part of our digestive system because the digestion is a start from the mouth. We eat food from our mouth, so we have to keep care of our mouth. Two types of digestion take place in the mouth, mechanical digestion and chemical digestion. The digestion that takes place by the teeth is known as mechanical digestion, and the saliva that digests food is known as chemical digestion. There are many parts of teeth that are incisor, canines, molars and premolars. These are, as I told you, incisors are very sharp, not so sharp, but it's the front four teeth are known as incisors. They are known as cutting teeth. They cut the food into bite-sized shape to make them easily to digest. And the second type of teeth is incisor, canine are very sharp. It is used to tear the food, so we easily digest them. They are very sharp and carnivorous, so they eat flesh easily. Next part of teeth is premolars. Premolars are two in numbers. Four in numbers in all jaw, upper jaw and lower jaw. They are behind the canines, and they are used to grind the food. And last three teeth are known as molars. Molars are 6 in numbers in upper jaw and lower jaw. They are also used to grind the food. The third molar is known as courage teeth. It appears after the age of 18 and completely appears in the age of 20. You know about the jaw. Jaws are two, upper jaw and lower jaw. Only lower jaw is movable in the whole skull. Next is tongue. Tongue is a useful part of our mouth. It is used to swallow the food easily, and it mixes the saliva to the food, and when the enzymes act on it. There are taste buds in tongue which is used to taste the food. The front, it is used to taste sweet. This is used to taste salty food items. These are used to taste sour food items, and this is used to taste bitter food items. There are two types of sets in our teeth: temporary set and permanent set. Temporary set appears at the age of 2 and completely appears but at the age of 3. It is also known as milk teeth. It sheds them first. Next type of teeth is permanent teeth. It is 6 in numbers, 16 in numbers in all jaw. Permanent teeth are permanent and it doesn't sheds. The white part of the teeth is known as enamel, and it's inside the red jaws are known as pulp. The cavity, the food product goes into the enamel and stuck on it, then causes cavity. Thanks.